Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove Instagram account from another device. So simply just move in the Instagram application, and now we will move in the right bottom corner option profile icon, again the top right corner of three lines and settings. So we will just move in your account center or meta. So from here you will be just finding the account settings in password and security. So I will be just get in, and from here you will be just find it where you logged in. So it will be just security checks where you logged in, and I will be just tap on it easily. So here there are two accounts where I logged in, and I want to just tap on it this one. And here is the option select devices to log out. So you will be just tap on it this one and select your devices, whatever you want to have logged out. So simply just tap on it log out. So in this way you will just remove your Instagram account from another device. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.